Hello, dear students. Today we are going to study English grammar, lesson 1, tense. What is tense? Tense shows the time of action. According to the time of action, there are three tenses in English. What are they? Present tense, past tense, and future tense. These tenses, according to the state of action, these tenses again divided into 4. That means total 12 tenses. Then first one, present tense. Present tense divided into 4. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. In simple present tense, what is the structure? How can we write the sentence in simple present tense? In the case of positive sentences, subject plus V1 plus object. In negative sentence, subject plus do not or does not plus verb plus object. In interrogative sentences, do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object. The next, use of simple present tense. Then when we can use the simple present tense? First use, to express a habitual action. Example, I go for a walk every day. Habitual action means the action doing regularly or every day. That is the habitual action. Then second, express general truth. Example, the sun rises in the east. Then third use, to express an event taking place at the present moment. Example, here comes the hero. Then next, express a situation that is permanent. See, example, Delhi stands on the bank of the Yamuna. Then next one, express a future action that is planned. Example, the flight leaves at 3 a.m. So these are the uses of simple present tense. Then next we come to present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, in the case of positive sentences, we can write the sentence subject plus am, is, are plus V1 plus ing plus object. In negative, subject plus am or is or are plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. In the case of interrogative sentence, is, am, are plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object. Then when we can use the present continuous tense? First one, express an action happening at the time of speaking. That means any action that happening at the time of speaking. Example, she is cleaning her room. Then second use, indicates an action which is likely to happen. That means some actions happens. Example, I am meeting her tomorrow. The next, express an action in progress at present in broad sense, but not necessarily at the time of speaking. That means some actions is progress or continuing. But when we speak at that time, there is no need to continue. But that action is progress. Example, my sister is writing a book. Study these usages and try the exercise. Exercise is given, then find the answer and send it to me.